Hey, OJ here. Yeah, it's coffee time. Well, we've always said when about the rink on the ice there. Wonder if anybody's ever going to get out there. Well, it's Family Day or Louis Riel Day. That's what it is here in Manitoba, and we got a bunch of kids out there, and we're going to wander over and see what they're up to. I think they're having a lot of fun out there playing hockey. I can hear them from here. Anyways, let's go. Now, this is what it's all about, folks. Well, as you can see, they're having a blast out there, and I hope you enjoyed this. Finally, we'll be able to see kids on the ice there having a great time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.